A home inspection, getting one is the best home purchase decision you'll ever make as a buyer. Whether you're buying or selling a home, you'll need to go through the home inspection process. No way around it. On the surface, home inspection seems pretty straightforward, and they usually are, but they aren't always as smooth as expected, sometimes revealing a surprise or two. Leave it at that. Here's a brief walkthrough of the standard home inspection process. When you're buying or selling a home, there usually will be a home inspection contingency written into the contract that allows the buyers to cancel the sale or negotiate repairs based on the results of that inspection. The contract will dictate a time frame when the inspection needs to take place, as well as how potential repairs will be completed. Homes are complicated structures that tend to hide their flaws extremely well, so home inspections are always recommended for the home buyer's protection. When choosing a home inspector as a buyer, it's important to choose one that is bonded, insured, and licensed, as well as looking into a company that only does inspections and not repairs as well, so that there isn't a conflict of interest. You want to speak to the inspection company to see what is included in their report and get recommendations for any additional inspections if the primary inspection doesn't cover everything, like here in Arizona, termite inspections. Luckily, a good agent can help you handle all of this. After the inspection, both the buyer and seller will receive a copy of the home inspection report, usually including pictures of any issues found. Lots of folks get hung up at this point on the number of items the inspector finds. It's really more important to remember it's not how many issues are listed, but how severe the worst ones are. For example, is there a cracked foundation? That's severe. Or just some cracked floor tiles, which is minor. It's also important to keep in mind for both the sellers and the buyers that the older a home is, the more issues that are going to have cropped up on the inspection report. If your home inspection report contains significant damage, as a buyer you may be able to ask the seller to cover the cost of repairs or negotiate a discount on the purchase price, or cancel the purchase. A good rule of thumb here is to only ask for repairs of major damage. If it can be described as normal wear and tear, you're probably not going to have much luck getting a seller to fix it. Ultimately, the buyer wants to make sure they're getting the home that they thought they were getting when they fell in love with it. Home inspections can be complicated, but if you hire a good agent, the process should be extremely simple for you. Thanks for watching. Call me at 602-430-5755 if you have any questions. And thanks again for taking the time to watch. Bye-bye for now.